Good morning, everyone. So yeah, Amy and I are going to talk through some work that we've been developing for the last few months as part of the NICER project, which is going to deliver a Climathon in the Cotswolds. It's going to be taking place next week. So I'm just going to say a few things to sort of explain the sort of motivation behind doing that and how it fits into kind of rural innovation in relation to net zero. It'll also fit into a session that we'll be talking about later on when we're talking about participatory methods. This aligns with this idea of what we call deliberative climate governance. So, audience participation. So you're probably thinking, what's a Climathon? So who in the room has heard of a hackathon? Put your hands in the air. Quite a good number, actually. So essentially, this is kind of a climate version of a hackathon, whereby in a conventional hackathon, you kind of put coders, I often think you put them in a dark room, but I don't suppose you do, for a very intense period to solve a problem or come up with a hack, if you like. And there are a number of now what are called civic hackathons, and this is a climate-orientated version of that. In a conventional Climathon, they're short, intensive periods, bringing together multidisciplinary actors, usually in cities. And the idea is at the end of the day, you pitch an idea to a panel of judges and you have a winning team and a winning solution. So we quite like that idea, but we've also been trying to adapt it, both in terms of the context of thinking about how do you make these mechanisms work in rural contexts, but also, can we sort of take out some of the sort of neoliberal properties, if you like.